Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah nah nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today's video is super exciting because it is a quick weave, you guys, and instead of a virgin hair quick weave, I have listened to you guys. You guys are like, listen sis, I appreciate the quick weave tutorials, but I'm not about to do no quick weave with $150 hair, with $200 hair. Like, I just want a quick weave with some quick affordable hair from the beauty supply store, sis. I found some hair that I really thought was bomb. This hair is at your local beauty supply store. This is OUTRE synthetic hair, a complete pack, and it is already pre-tapered for you guys. It comes with different lengths in the pack and with a closure in the pack. The pack is $17 and some change, y'all. Like, I will not steer y'all wrong. You can find this hair on Sam's Beauty, and I will leave a link down below where you can find this hair on Sam's Beauty. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this quick weave in less than an hour for less than $20, boo, you need to keep on watching.
Bad man. Yeah. Body baby, oh, his body baby, oh, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah nah nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me. I go give you all of me. I'm hot to Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I'm wanting more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point the instrumental. Even them one time. It's okay. Bad man go take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away.
Alright you guys, so I hope you really enjoyed that tutorial. It was just a really quick, simple tutorial. Like, you guys, quick weaves are just my jam. Like, I love them. If I have somewhere to go and I only have like less than 2 hours to get ready, I will bank a quick weave in less than an hour. Like, y'all don't know how serious the game is. And I mean, it's a cold game. Like, look at this hair. It's lit. I love it. The hair is so bouncy, so lightweight. It just is like such a curly hair dupe. Like, I just love the texture of it. The curl pattern is so fire. Like, I love it so much, you guys. And this is the type of hair, like, the longer you wear it, the more lit it gets. So definitely check out this hair on samsbeauty.com. If you have questions for me, please leave them in the comments section down below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. We are almost at 20,000 subscribers, you guys. Help me get there. Share this video. Share it with a friend. Tell a friend to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. And yeah, it's all at JessTheDragoness. Make sure you check out my wig blog and my wig store. www.JessTheDragoness.com. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And you know you need to stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.
Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything